start from 5 times table. If you know the 5 times table, then only you have to do one thing and your 15 times table will complete. So what we have to do for that, first we will write 5 times 10. Now this is our 5 times table. What we need to do is we have to do only addition from 1 to 10, only left side of the number. I will show and 10. Now we will do addition. 5, we will only add this left side. 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, in this way. Now start writing. 1 plus 0 is 1, and we will write right side as it is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3 and right side is 0 as it is. 2 plus 1 4 and right side as it is 5. 4 plus 2 6, 0. 5 plus 2 7, 5. 6 plus 3 9, 0. 7 plus 3 10, 10. 5. 8 plus 4 12, 0. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 13, 5. 10 plus 5 15 and 0. Here is your 15 times table. You can write 15 times table anywhere, any place without learning. If you want, for example, if you want 15 into 9, there is no need of learning. You know 5 into 9 is 45, and you have to do only here 2 plus 9. 5 as it is, and this is 13. This is a number. So there is no need of learning 15 times table if you know 5 times table. I hope this video will help you in your calculation. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and don't forget to press the notification bell for the latest update. Have a nice day.